Dear students, today we are solving the 3B of the RBI DSIM. So we have to find uniformly distributed continuous random variable with the interval obtain the lower bound. Okay, so we need to determine the probability density function and then calculate the required probability here. Okay, so in this case a equal to 0 if we take and b equal to 1, therefore the PDF of x is fx equal to 1 if 0 is less than equal to 1 and 0 otherwise. So therefore the event of x minus half less than 1 by root 3 represents a range of values of x within the 1 by root 3 distance from half. So find out the lower and upper limit which satisfies the given condition, that is this thing. So the lower limit LL is half minus 1 by root 3, so root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 3, and upper limit UL is 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 3. So root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 3, that's it. So calculate the probability here. So P of x minus half less than 1 by root 3 by integrating this function directly. So integrating this root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 and the fx and the dx directly, you can find this value and this will give you 2 root 3, 2 by root 3, that is after the calculation. Step 3, so lower bound, similarly we can do it since the probability cannot be negative. So in this case probability of x minus half less than 1 by root 3, lower bound will be 0. So therefore the lower bound of this thing will be 0. Hence the answer.